In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome not playing videos on Android. If videos refuse to load, buffer endlessly, or show playback errors, the cause is usually something simple: an out-of-date app, cluttered cache and cookies, or a setting that blocks scripts. We'll start with quick fixes and then move to advanced troubleshooting if you still have issues. First, update Chrome. Open the Google Play Store, tap My Apps and Games, find Google Chrome, and update it if you see an update button. Updates often include media playback fixes and security patches, so getting the latest version can solve the problem without any other changes. After the update, relaunch Chrome and try a video again. Next, clear cache and cookies. In Chrome, tap the three dots, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and open Clear Browsing Data. Select cookies and site data and cached images and files, then tap Clear Data. This removes old site information that can interfere with video players and resets site sessions that may be stuck. You don't need to clear your browsing history for this step. Close and reopen Chrome, then test a video. Make sure JavaScript is enabled. Still in Settings, go to Site Settings and check that JavaScript is turned on. Many video players rely on scripts, and if JavaScript is disabled, playback will fail. Turn it on, then refresh the page to test. If videos still won't play, move on to advanced troubleshooting. Clear Chrome's app data from your phone settings. Open Settings, go to Apps, choose Chrome, open Storage and Cache, and tap Clear Storage or Clear Data. This resets Chrome to a clean state on your device and removes corrupted data. You'll need to sign back into Chrome afterwards, so make sure you remember your login details. You can also reset Chrome's settings from within the browser. In the address bar, type Chrome, Settings, Reset, and select Restore Settings to their original defaults. This disables extensions and reverts site permissions and content settings to default, which helps if a misconfiguration is blocking media. As a final option, reinstall Chrome. Uninstall the app, restart your phone to clear any lingering processes, then reinstall Chrome from the Google Play Store. Fresh installs replace damaged files and often resolve stubborn playback problems.